In this video, I'll be covering part 2 of part 1, which is sorting an array. So to begin, let's start here. We're gonna first include the library for a vector. And also I got my user namespace std. So let's make our function first. So vector int. And we're gonna call it sort vector. And we're gonna pass this function a vector. So it's gonna be of data type vector. We're gonna call it nums. All right, inside this, now we're gonna have some type of return. We're gonna return nums. All right, now let's start working on the algorithm. So like stated in part 1, we're gonna have 2 for loops. So the first one is int I, which is equal to 0. And we're gonna have I is less than nums dot size. So this is the size of the array that's passed through. And we're gonna increment I by 1. And now we're gonna have our second for loop, which is int j, which is equal to I plus 1. And j is gonna be less than nums dot size. And we're gonna increment j as well. Now that we got our 2 for loops set up, now we just need to simply set up our condition. So we're gonna say if nums j is less than nums I, then we're gonna come inside this condition and we're gonna say we're gonna have to make a temporary variable to hold some data. So int temp is equal to, we're gonna have this equal to nums I, and we're gonna have nums I, we're gonna assign to nums I nums j, and from there we're gonna assign nums j the value temp. And remember, temp holds the value of I. So that's pretty much it to the algorithm. And now we can test it. So we're gonna go into our main and we're gonna create a vector and we can name it nums. And let's see, so we're gonna have 2 1 6, let's put 4 and 10. Close it. And also let's do a printout. So we're gonna do int I is equal to 0. I is less than, oh, hold on, sorry. I forgot to do this part. So sort nums is equal to sort vector. So we're calling this function up here. And we're gonna pass to that function this vector, which is nums. And now we're gonna do inside our for loop, I is less than sort. Well, it could be nums because it's the same. And I plus plus. And now we're gonna see out our numbers. So we're gonna do sort nums I in line. And that's pretty much it. Let's run it. And there you go. It's sorted 1, 2, 4, 6, 10. But let's do it like this so it looks better. So we're gonna do if I is equal to nums dot size minus 1, we're gonna print cout nums I in the line, else we're gonna simply print out cout and hold on, sort nums I, and we can also have comma, and that's it. Let's rerun the program, and there you go. It's on one line now. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 10. And if you want, you can test it. We can do another test case, and you have the same result. It's still sorted. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.